Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by turning on remote access on the computer and creating or confirming a user account with a password. This allows secure login from outside. Once done, jot down the PC name or its LAN IP and consider a dynamic DNS if you'll connect across the internet. Next, install the chosen remote app on your phone so you can pair devices quickly. This is the practical step that bridges the desktop and mobile apps and gets you ready to configure network access. You now make the connection reachable. Allow the remote app through the PC firewall and either set up router port forwarding for the remote desktop port or choose the app's cloud relay to avoid port work. Once set, reserve the PC's local IP via DHCP or configure a static IP so address changes don't break access. Also, enable strong account passwords and two-factor authentication where possible because securing the remote endpoint prevents unauthorized access while you establish a reliable link. You're ready to connect. Open the mobile app, add a new connection using the PC name or external address plus your user credentials, then save that profile for future quick access. Once connected, tune display resolution and bandwidth options to balance clarity versus responsiveness. Enable clipboard or file transfer if you need it. If the session won't start, check the firewall rules, verify port forwarding or cloud relay status, confirm credentials, and as a fallback, use a VPN to bypass ISP or network blocking.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.